This is part of a series of motivational videos to enhance your ability to manifest desired outcomes and empower your subconscious mind for personal growth using neurographic art. By consciously inserting these positive intentions into your neurographic art creation process, you will unlock the potential to establish a profound connection with your subconscious mind. This connection serves as a powerful tool for nurturing personal growth and facilitating the manifestation of your desired outcomes. Through this deliberate integration of positive intentions, you will tap into the innate power of your subconscious mind, allowing it to align with your aspirations and pave the way for transformative personal development. Education is a lifelong journey that extends far beyond the confines of a traditional classroom. Embracing lifelong learning is a mindset that fuels personal growth, intellectual curiosity, and continuous self-improvement. The benefits of lifelong learning are abundant. It opens doors to new opportunities and expands your horizons. By continuously seeking knowledge and acquiring new skills, you increase your value in the workplace and enhance your ability to contribute meaningfully to society. Lifelong learning equips you with the tools to navigate through various challenges, seize new possibilities, and adapt to changing circumstances. One of the key aspects of lifelong learning is the development of critical thinking and problem-solving skills. By engaging in ongoing education, you sharpen your analytical abilities and learn to approach complex situations with a more informed and strategic mindset. Lifelong learning nurtures creativity, fosters innovation, and enhances your ability to think critically and make sound decisions. Lifelong learning encourages you to explore new interests, hobbies, and passions, allowing you to discover your true potential and unlock hidden talents. Lifelong learners are more likely to lead fulfilling lives as they constantly strive for self-actualization and pursue their passions. They are not limited by age or societal expectations, but instead, they embrace the idea that learning is a lifelong endeavor that brings joy and satisfaction. Lifelong learning also enhances your ability to adapt to a rapidly changing world. In today's dynamic society, new technologies, industries, and trends emerge at a rapid pace. By engaging in continuous education, you develop the flexibility and agility needed to keep up with these changes. Lifelong learners are more adaptable, open-minded, and comfortable with uncertainty. They embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and are not afraid to step out of their comfort zones to acquire new knowledge and skills. Furthermore, lifelong learning provides a sense of fulfillment and purpose. It allows you to contribute to the betterment of society and make a positive impact on the world. By staying informed and knowledgeable, you can engage in meaningful discussions, participate in civic activities, and contribute to social causes that align with your values. Lifelong learners become agents of change, using their expertise and skills to address societal issues and promote progress. Lifelong learning is not confined to formal educational institutions. While traditional classrooms play a crucial role in providing foundational knowledge, lifelong learning encompasses various avenues for acquiring knowledge and skills. It can involve reading books, attending workshops and seminars, participating in online courses, joining professional networks, and engaging in hands-on experiences. The internet has revolutionized access to information, making it easier than ever to pursue lifelong learning from the comfort of your own home. Moreover, lifelong learning promotes a growth mindset. Instead of viewing intelligence and abilities as fixed traits, a growth mindset believes that talents and skills can be developed through effort, practice, and perseverance. This mindset fosters resilience, encourages a love for learning, and empowers individuals to overcome challenges and setbacks. Lifelong learners embrace failures as learning opportunities and constantly strive for improvement. In conclusion, lifelong learning is an essential component of personal and professional growth. By adopting a mindset of continuous learning, you equip yourself with the tools needed to adapt to a changing world, expand your horizons, and contribute meaningfully to society. Lifelong learning nurtures critical thinking, problem-solving skills, creativity, and adaptability. It opens doors to new opportunities, enhances personal fulfillment, and promotes a sense of purpose. Embrace lifelong learning, and embark on a journey of self-discovery, growth, and endless possibilities. As I draw, I pay attention while rounding off the sharp corners, allowing new connections to form and energize my goals. I perceive this as a flow of energy that leads to problem solving and strengthens my resolve. By repeating positive affirmations, I communicate with my subconscious, creating new neural pathways in my brain, promoting neuroplasticity. This technique empowers me to rewire my mind, making my objectives a reality. Apply this same technique to every circle in your artwork. This will inject each circle with a unique significance, serving as a visual reminder when you display the artwork on the wall. By repeating the positive affirmations when viewing the piece, you can further reinforce the neural pathways associated with your goals, promoting their realization. When we focus on positive thoughts while rounding off corners, we activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps to reduce stress and promote healing. This is because positive thoughts release chemicals like serotonin and dopamine in the brain, which can help to counteract the negative effects of stress hormones like cortisol. In addition, when we engage in the act of rounding off corners, we are activating different parts of the brain, including the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for decision-making, problem-solving, and emotional regulation. By practicing neurographic art regularly, we can strengthen these neural pathways and create new habits of positive thinking and emotional regulation. Over time, these new habits can have a profound impact on our overall well-being, as research has shown that our thoughts and emotions play a significant role in our physical health. By focusing on positive thoughts and engaging in practices like neurographic art and mindfulness, we can create a positive feedback loop that promotes healing and well-being in both our minds and bodies.